one here is the waffle stitch. It's another one that's quite easy to do. It's a 4-row repeat. It's kind of reversible. Personally, I prefer this side, but every so often then I'll use this as my main side. As I said, 4 rows, very easy repeat, and knits up quite nice and quickly as well. Okay, so I have cast on 10 stitches. Basically, once it's multiples of 3 plus 1, it's going to work. It's pretty easy 4-row repeat. So the first row, we basically just knit everything. And then the second row, we purl everything. So 2 nice, easy rows in our pattern. And then the next row, what we're going to do is we're going to knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, all the way to the end. So knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, and then knit 1 more to the end. And then we do the exact opposite of that for the 4th row. So we purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, and purl the last one. And now we're going to go back to row 1. So we're just going to knit all again. So we just knit this full row. And we purl the next one again. Now once more, little reminder, we knit 1, purl 2, so purl, purl, knit, purl, purl, knit, purl, purl, and finally knit. And then once again we totally reverse that. So purl, knit, knit, purl, knit, knit, purl, knit, knit, purl. So here we go, that's what it looks like. Here's a waffle that's in one of the blankets, so there we go, that's that side of it. And I've actually done one the other side on the blanket as well. So as I said, it is reversible. So here's the other side of it. And I basically just repeat it 14 to 15 times, depending on where you think you're going with your square.